Well, it's been a quiet week in Novo 7 Venus land, with a couple of betas released a few weeks ago, I guess less than 2 weeks ago. The 0407 beta, which I have installed on my tablet, and the 0417, which seems to have some issues, so I have not tried that, and I think still I'm going to hold out for another beta, hopefully coming next week. When I first installed the 0407, it seemed to work pretty good other than it being sluggish. I reflashed my tablet and I lost the ability to add lock screen widgets. So last night I decided to reflash it again a third time with the 0407, hoping to restore the ability to add lock screen widgets. And didn't work. And the other thing, it's the tool to flash the tablet kept crashing on my main computer, so I ended up going to one of my secondary computers to do the flashing. So I'm not sure what's going on there. Maybe some of you guys have an answer for me. So let's take a look. So here we are. We're looking at my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and navigate down and launch the tablet flashing tool. And this is the same computer and same software that I've used 3 or 4 times to flash my tablet, so I'm not sure what is going on, but as you will see here, it just crashes. I've tried reinstalling it, I've tried doing a repair, reinstalling it again, I rebooted the computer, but it still crashes right there at that same spot. So here we are again. This is the third reflash of my tablet with the 0407 firmware, and again I can't add any lock screen widgets. Normally if you scroll to the right you have a plus sign, you can add your new lock screen widget. So that feature worked for me once and hasn't been able to work. Following my third reflash, I've only installed about 3 apps. One of them is this new version of the ES FileExplorer. It looks really interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and launch it. I've only barely had a few minutes with it, but I like the way I think they've added some features, and they've definitely rearranged a lot of the menus and options for you. There's now the ability to go to directly to one of your cloud drives. I've got one of my cloud drives set up, but there are quite a few other cloud drives that you can access. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's 8 cloud drives there. I use Dropbox, Google Drive, and SkyDrive, but there's a few others that I don't use that might be of use to others. And it's nice to have this built in right into the software. Here's a look at the ES FileExplorer and how it handles a server. Many of them might have shared files on local PC, so this is where you would set that up to access those files. And finally, here's a shot of my About tablet screen in the settings menu, just to confirm that it is the 0407 version 1 of the 4.2.2.
So that's it for this weekly update. Again, things have been quiet on the Novo 7 Venus front for this week. I have no information, no inside information, but I'm just hopeful that a new beta version will be released in this upcoming week that addresses some of the issues that have been highlighted, and so we'll have something else to play with. Tune in.